Okay, this is part 2 to show you Convex Android Master Series 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, IPS with SIM card slot Android player, connect with Cogoo two-way USB DVR for reverse parking setting. Okay, when turn to reverse, if your screen view is not in the correctly, okay, you have to wrong press the screen. Okay, choose the car icon. Okay, the part 1 video already show you how to choose for the TP2850 setting. So you have to do the another setting here. Okay, you have to choose PAL CVBS PAL system. Click for OK. So already show in the correct reverse parking view. Back to normal. Reverse. Okay. Video by Andy from One Piece Car Accessory. Thank you.